guys, good morning. Nagsisunog sa labas and tingnan nyo yung mukha ko. Hindi pa naglamos, hindi pa nanghimuta. Pero alis kami kasi mag-ano kami ng breakfast. May dala akong kumot, guys. Gosh,
It's open. Stay warm.
yeah. So, ito na. Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, boys.
Yan, nilagay kita dyan. Kasi
You live or something?
Video. Grabe, guys. Katog daw. Kay gasino-sno. Ha? Yan. It's snow again. Akala ko ba mag-spring na. What is that? Why you're just...
So that your peoples can see something strange. Give them a little bit of activity here, sweets.
Gosh, yung bakit paliko-liko Gosh, yung sweet.
What's wrong, sweetie?
Why is like
You okay, sweets?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
So, yun lang nga. So, ayun na nga guys, mangimuta sa ta kasi sobrang
Slippery.
lamig. Slippery pa. Akala ko ba tuloy-tuloy na itong yung pa-spring ba? Hindi nagsasnow pa din.
Yeah.
Let's dance. Oops.
This isn't good, really.
Oh,
So notice the temperature.
yeah,
Right at
zero.
freezing. Notice it's actually drizzling or raining a little bit.
Yeah.
That's freezing rain. I would take 12 inches of snow over any
Look
freezing
at
rain.
here. Look at here.
Over any freezing rain. Freezing rain is, that's just.
Let's dance. XN60. Why it's 19?
XN60. XN60. Yes.
XN60. Sabi niya
Sali. Salaro. Baraming. Baramo.
So, hot chocolate lang. Pero meron akong hot chocolate sa bahay. So, hindi na ako nag-order pa. Commander, ang daming ice dito, Commander. You want? guys, we got it. Ayan, sa bahay na kami kumain. Kasi nga, wala akong hot chocolate. Alam niyo na kung anong in-order ko ng breakfast.
Part-time adults, 13 to 15 an hour.
What?
Part-time adults,
Part-time adult? 15 per hour?
15 to $15 per hour.
Wow. Subway. Oh!
And all the discount food going.
Yeah. Ching, chiding, chiding, chiding. We're going home. Para kumainan. Hello, good morning. Nagbe-wave sila guys. Sir Kenny, wave! Wave! Gosh. Suddenly appear. Ah, ako ba? It's slippery. Just like me, they long to be close to
At $15 an hour, part-time, make that pretty much.
58,000 per month?
Peso.
Can you imagine that? 15 per hour. And today that
58,000 peso.
you were burned. Guys, we're almost home. Tan taran 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 taran. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Ng lamig-lamig. The tender love is true. All my dreams come true. Yan dyan guys. Dyan yung bahay namin. Hanapin nyo guys. Hanapin nyo kung saan. Love me tender love too. Yun yung harap guys. Yung sa likod naman andini. Ayan nag-open door na siya. Life is an open door. Yes, boss, guys. Andito na kami. So, you're gonna bring that one and I'm gonna bring my blanket and let's go. Blanket is live.
Blankets live.
Life. Yep, because hindi ako nagpajama ng ano, yung warm ba? Hindi.
So look for a clean vehicle.
Yeah. All my dreams fulfilled. We're home.
All my bags are packed.
I'm gonna make hot chocolate.
I'm standing here outside the door. I wait to wake you up.
Thank you guys! And ako'y maggagawa ng hot chocolate para kakain na kami. Bye! Ouch! Bye!